Welcome to our Masterclass, Operational Excellence, from implementation to cultural consolidation. My name is Melissa Matedi, and today we're talking about how BorgWarner Itatiba in Brazil is transforming its processes, employees, and culture to achieve sustainable and high-performance results. In recent years, the Itatiba plant has become the largest turbocharger manufacturer in Brazil. Today, around 50% of the turbocharged flex-fuel cars on the road in the country are equipped with turbochargers manufactured at our site. This increase in volume challenged us and forced us to rethink everything, from how we operate to how we interact with our teams and customers. As a result, we accelerated changes that would have taken years, such as digitalization, automation, process activity review, and more agile decision-making, which paved the way for something powerful: excellence. We discovered we could be more efficient, innovative, and profitable. This was the starting point of our journey toward operational excellence. Our entire OPEX process seeks to utilize the tools already available at BorgWarner, and with a lot of engagement, knowledge sharing, and analytical data insights, we have achieved incredible results. Initiated by the quality team, the use of digital tools motivated the expansion to other strategic key areas. Thus, we created DPA, Digital Process Automation, a program that significantly assisted several routine work processes, promoting a culture of data and continuous improvement throughout the organization. By using digital technologies, we reduced waste in management tasks. We trained 40 key users using internal IT tools at zero cost, and all departments were involved in the program. With the PA, we achieved several lean digital projects, reduction of 1,000 unproductivity hours, improvement in data and reporting quality, reduction in information processing time, improved response time with faster access to data, automation of simple office tasks. The increased use of the Power BI tool is a practical example of DPA's successful results. We also implemented the Power BI tool for quality incident management, and this has transformed the way information is processed, analyzed, and used. Real-time visibility for the entire team, promoting agility and transparency. This resulted in increased team productivity, reduction in recurring failures, continuous monitoring of performance indicators, automatic escalation of critical incidents, better team engagement with visible, understandable, and accessible data. The use of Power BI in purchase department enabled the identification of KPIs that indicated potential improvements. Numerous Pareto models were reviewed, facilitating the projection of results and identification of significant risks in this area. Import cost management also benefited from the implementation of the Power BI, which brought significant gains in visibility, controls, and agility in decision-making. The tool enabled detailed monitoring of actual costs by product, product family, country of origin, supplier, and logistics mode. Visualization of import cost breakdowns, detailing expenses types and taxes, geographic mapping of suppliers facilitating strategic analysis by region, identification of excessive costs and trends of increase or decrease over time, simulation of different scenarios and their impact on costs, supporting faster and more assertive decisions. The Power BI in health and safety processes was an important milestone to achieve ISO 45001 certification with zero non-conformities. Management has become fully digital and integrated, supported by 23 standardized lists in SharePoint, which ensure 100% standardized inspections, centralized information updated in real time, greater traceability and control of OHS actions. Main benefits achieved: significant reduction in operational errors and rework, elimination of approximately 5,000 printed sheets per year, promoting sustainability, greater agility and reliability in risk and compliance management. The integration between Power BI, SharePoint, and Power Automate reinforced the culture of prevention and raised the maturity level of SSO processes. All employees involved were trained to use and interpret data in Power BI, ensuring effective use of the tool in all levels of the operation. We have made significant progress through Kaizen in production lines aimed at specific customers. During this work, opportunities for improvement were identified on several fronts: training, operations, product, process, and suppliers. In total, 61 failure modes were listed and analyzed, in addition to 29 internal issues, some of which anticipated customer complaints about the same failure pattern, evidencing the effectiveness of proactive monitoring. During the analysis, we identified that the lines FMEA and control plan were outdated in relation to the actual process risks, reinforcing the importance of continuous review of these documents. To drive this continuous improvement process, we use a robust set of quality tools: 5 Whys to identify the root causes simply and objectively, Ishikawa diagram to map potential causes of problems, Pareto chart to prioritize key issues based on frequency or impact, 80-20 rule, brainstorming for collaboratively ideas and identifying day-to-day problems, effort versus impact matrix to select actions with high impact and low effort, impact versus urgency matrix, severity, urgency, and trend, to classify and prioritize improvements based on criticity. This work involved efforts from several departments: production, maintenance, manufacturing engineering, customer and supplier quality, and production engineering, reinforcing the importance of collaboration to achieve operational excellence. And most importantly, all of this was only possible due to people development and empowerment, transforming each employee as an active part of the improvement. When it comes to operational excellence, empowering people is essential to sustaining the transformation. The training sections provided a solid foundation in Lean tools, facilitating the application in daily projects. As a result, teams began to identify waste more clearly, standardize process more efficiently, implement improvements focused on the results, always questioning the status quo. To empower employees as Lean knowledge champions, we have adopted a strategy focused on engagement and continuous development. Key actions include careful selection of participants based on their profile and potential for influence, individual coaching and mentoring sessions to deepen learning, weekly follow-ups ensuring close monitoring, benchmarking with other departments and companies, promoting the exchange of experiences, final presentation of results with the awarding of the official Lean Champion certificate. Furthermore, the program continues to evolve, supported by a structured roadmap for continuous development, which keeps champions updated and engaged. Results already seen: productivity gains, reduction in rework, greater alignment between departments, increased team autonomy, several projects in the implementation phase, and talent retained and motivated. This training not only consolidated technical knowledge, but also strengthened integration between areas and reinforced the role of the employee as an agent of transformation. Being a Lean champion means being an agent of change. It means sharing knowledge, inspiring people, and ensuring a sustainable culture of continuous improvement. Recognizing this role strengthens team autonomy and ensures the Lean mindset over time. This is what operational excellence is: technology, method, and above all, engaged people. No tool works without people. Nothing influences results more than culture. Nothing influences culture more than leadership. A culture of excellence is born when leaders inspire. Leaders foster culture. Culture guides behaviors, and behaviors drive results. The journey of recognizing improvements in projects reinforces the importance of everyone's engagement. And our OPEX forums are stages of protagonism and recognition, where each project is given a voice, each result is celebrated, and each creator's impactful journey is valued. In Itatiba, the culture of excellence was also reinforced through the creation of a physical space dedicated to promoting improvement initiatives, our OPEX room. This environment is more than symbolic. It represents the organization's commitment to continuous improvement, innovation, and people empowerment. A space for management rituals, coaching and mentoring, Kaizen and continuous improvement events, a place to discuss and develop projects, short and objective meetings, and specific training in Lean tools, with constant recognition that helps transform excellence into a habit, and a habit into a culture. Our operational excellence journey has been built on three fundamental concepts: technology, people, and a culture of continuous improvement. Technology as an ally. We use tools already available at BorgWarner, such as Power BI, Power Automate, and SharePoint, to transform data into decisions. We automate processes, reduce waste, and increase agility in our departments. DPA program. With more than 65 Lean digital projects in 2024, increased productivity, reduced errors and rework, improved data quality, and greater integration between areas. Kaizen and quality tools. We apply methodologies such as FIMIA, 5 Whys, Ishikawa diagram, Pareto, impact versus urgency matrix, and effort versus impact to solve real problems, anticipate failures, and update critical controls. Training and leadership. We invested in the development of Lean champions, providing structured training, mentoring, and recognition. This strengthened team autonomy and ensured the sustainability of improvements. Living culture of excellence. The OPEX room, a physical space dedicated to continuous improvement, where ideas are transformed into projects and excellence becomes a habit. None of these initiatives would make sense if we didn't know our true north, our strategy for where we want to go. Today, our journey to excellence relies on planning aligned with global objectives, a shared vision, and goals across all levels of the organization, ensuring everyone is moving in the same direction, fostering inclusion, engagement, and a sense of belonging, reinforcing the culture. True transformation happens when leaders inspire, teams engage, and everyone understands the purpose behind their actions. This is the essence of our operational excellence. Technology with purpose, people with leadership, and a culture that transforms results into a legacy. Operational excellence is not a destination, it's a journey. And that journey begins with one step, a commitment to continuous improvement. So I ask you, what will be your next step toward excellence? Thank you so much for being here. And remember, operational excellence is the courage to question what already works to achieve what can be even better every day.